Hi, folks. Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, come with a product that's kind of interesting from WinnerGear.com. I don't know much about it, so we're going to find out. It's got an ear hook on it, 3 times ear tips, medium, large, and small, charging case, portable charging case. This is the smallest true wireless sports earbuds with 12 hours of playtime on the go, built-in microphone, compact design, HD sound with a large 8mm speaker. Sweat-proof coating on it, high dynamic driver, 3 hours of playtime, Bluetooth 4.2, and compact design. So let's go ahead and open this baby up, see what's inside. Here's the box, and we'll pop that open. That was pretty easy. It looks like it comes with a little canister, probably charging thing. Pull off the bottom so you can see what that looks like there. And then it looks like there's a power button on here, and there's a charging port. So I imagine this is what you use to charge them or store them as well. Let's open that up. In fact, I can see the lights on right now, so it's probably got a little bit of a charge it keeps in there. Magnetically shuts. And then here are the units in themselves. And there you can see the charging ports on the back. They're fairly large. And there you go. There's the other ones. So let's see what else we have in the box. In the box we have cable for charging. We've got some more earbuds depending upon the size of your ears. And then these look like there's some replacements that go around that hold the outside of these together. And we've got some instructions. So what we're going to do is put it all together, come back and tell you what we really think. So after getting a chance to review these, this is a consistent problem I'm seeing with a lot of these standalone Bluetooth earbuds, if you will, that don't have any sort of wires, and everything has to be in the earbud. The volume is way too low. The sound quality is horrible. The company that make these WinnerGear, these are for sale on discount on Amazon, and they've already have the 2.0 version out. So obviously they wanted to make some improvements. Can't recommend this in any way, shape, or form. I'm seeing a lot of these wireless headbuds. There seems to be an endless plethora of them being made, and extremely low quality, partially because not so much the company's fault, but there's only so much technology and quality of speaker you can put in these units because you have to put Bluetooth receivers in them and pairing and everything else. So can't recommend it in any way, shape, or form, but you can take a look on amzn.to. Oh my gosh, look what's in this box. I'd love to show you, but first you've got to subscribe, like the channel, and get notifications for your mobile thing. And then you can see what's inside boxes like these as we unbox the latest technology for you. Be sure to check it out. Oh, wow, that's pretty. See you next time. Or click any of these videos. Either way, got to find out what's in the box.